Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi, and in today's video I'm going to do the reset for month of Feb, and it's 31st of Jan today, and I woke up very late. Like I woke up around 11 in the morning, and it's already 12. एक घंटे मैंने बहुत टाइम पास करा. I talked to my mummy, फिर इधर उधर फ़ोन चलाया. So I just scrolled. I was on my phone whole day. So I'm going to start my day now. Today's plan of action is A, I have to clean my house. I really need to clean my house, like proper deep cleaning, jharu, pocha. Sab karna hai guys. Like my makeup, my skincare, my hair care, everything is all mixed up and it looks so cluttered. So I really need to clean that. And also I have ordered few parcels from Amazon, IKEA, Meesho, everywhere. So I have like lots of parcels that is going to come today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. So I'm also planning to do a little room or house makeover. So I'm just going to give the finishing touches to this house, because since I have moved in, I have not invested a single penny in this house, because you can clearly see सब पहले से ही किया हुआ था. And last घर के बाद I was like no, I don't want to invest so much. And फिर आपको घर छोड़ना पड़ता है, and फिर सारी चीजें इधर उधर करनी पड़ती है. So I don't want that kind of stress again. So that's why I didn't invested anything, like a single penny in this house, like for the decor and everything. I just used the stuff that I had from the previous house. But I think now, to feel like myself, I really need to give some personal touch. So I'm going to do that. Maybe I'm going to like add all this in this video, or else if my parcel will not arrive today, I will make a separate room or room makeover kind of a video. So I'll think about that. Will see like आज दिन में क्या होता है. And apart from that, obviously I have to reflect on the previous month and set up the planner for the Feb month. So that's that. To have to make a proper meal plan for the month of Feb, because this month I was on like no Zomato thing ki I will not order anything from the Zomato, which I did. Like I think in the whole month मैंने बस 2 बार Zomato से order किया, which is a progress, you all guys. So I'm so proud of that. So we're gonna do that. Like I'm going to do a meal prep and also make a grocery list. And maybe I'll order grocery once I'll look into the kitchen ki kya kya hai, matlab, do I need a proper grocery right now, or like 5 6 दिन बाद. So that's that. Mini self care and a mini self care in the night. The thing for this is decluttering, cleaning, and deep cleaning. So we're gonna do that. But for now, I'm just going to start with my morning, like the basic morning routines that I do, like cleaning my bed, doing my journal. पहले वो करती हूँ, and then we're gonna get into our to-do list. So yeah, that's that. I'm just having my warm water, and yeah.
I don't like how it looks on me. Endless desire to fill that void.
I had the idea for Jurassic Park first.
Hi guys, so I'm almost done with cleaning and everything. I didn't clean my vanity drawers and also I didn't clean my cupboard. But ऊपर से मैंने बहुत सफाई करी and I'm so tired. You can clearly see from my face and I'm feeling so sleepy right now. मुझे एक nap भी लेना है because night shift भी है, so it's very important to take some sleep because you can clearly see from my face कि how sleepy I am. But right now, before sleeping, I really want to do one thing is that I really want to unbox all these packages because आज पूरे दिन बस packages आए हैं and I really want to unbox them because मैं मतलब ऐसे सब एक एक करके रख रही थी due to which मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट भी हुआ है एंड मेरे में उतनी पेशेंस है नहीं कि मैं बैठ के मतलब सो के उठने के बाद मैं पैकेज अनबॉक्स करूँगी. नो, आई एम समवन जिसके पास पैकेज आता है फटाक से वो खोलती है एंड आई जस्ट लाइक do the thing. So I am someone who just can't wait to unbox anything. जैसे आता है like few of them I have already unboxed and also there is one very sweet PR that I have got from a very good brand which was in my wish list to work with them. I'm also going to show you all that, but we're gonna keep the best for the last. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the very first is obviously from Meesho. So I really want like मैं इतनी सारी चीज़ें मंगाती हूँ, मुझे एक वो भी चाहिए होता है यार, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कटर. मैं नाइफ लेके आती हूँ and just in the beginning only I really want to do my like set up my space थोड़ा और ज़्यादा अच्छा करने के लिए because I just wanted to feel like more like myself. So yeah. Okay, so I got this. This is टेबल मैट क्योंकि अपन खाना बट मुझे 2 ही दिया है इन्होंने यार. I bought it 4 it was. So I wanted this mat खाना खाने के लिए and यार उस मीशो पे उसने 4 लिख रखा था but I just got 2 of them. I don't know like I should complain about it. तो यार मैं थोड़ा देखती हूँ. तो एक्चुअली मैंने 2 ही मंगाया था लाइक उसमें सेट ऑफ 2 ही था बट इमेज में 4 दिखा रहा था. सो आई थॉट इट वॉज 4 बट एक्चुअली 2 ही था. सो या लाइक नहीं, मीशो गलत नहीं है. सो आई हैव लाइक इंस्टेंटली प्लेस्ड अनदर ऑर्डर बिकॉज दिस इज़ रियली गुड. लाइक द मटेरियल इज़ वेरी गुड एंड इट्स वेरी थिक. सो या आई लव. See, I've already unboxed it. So this one is from Amazon. So I just got this Soulflower का tea tree essential oil because मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा dandruff हो रहा है. I am someone who don't like to use anti dandruff shampoos because मुझे ऐसा लगता है they don't do much for my hair. I don't know, maybe it has not worked for me. So I just bought this and I know after that my hair scalp will get very oily. बट अभी फिलहाल तो मुझे डैंड्रफ से मतलब बचना है बिकॉज ओ माई गॉड माई डैंड्रफ इज लाइक व्हेन आई कोम माई हेयर आफ्टर द 3rd day ऑफ माई हेयर वॉश ऐसे डैंड्रफ गिरता है जैसे स्नोफॉल हो रहा है. सो या आई गॉट दैट. अनदर पार्सल फ्रॉम मीशो. आई हैव अनबॉक्स्ड दिस ओके ऑलरेडी. These flowers, these fake tulips from Meesho because Amazon पे बहुत महंगा होता है and this is like equally good. I had already one from the previous flat but it turned yellow and it was so dirty, so I thought that it's time to buy a new one. So if you guys must have seen like मेरे side table पे I used to keep a vase, some warm lights जो इस वाले फ्लैट में मैंने नहीं रखा है and I really miss that kind of ambience. So for that I just purchased this. Okay, so this is a PR. This is something that I have not ordered. So this is from Dot & Key and we have this Dot & Key hydrating sunscreen and ceramide sunscreen and Dot & Key ceramide moisturizer. So we have these two. I already love this and I'm yet to try this. I have heard so much about it, so thanks Dot & Key. Next one is again from Meesho and like Meesho की packaging से पता चल जाता है Meesho, but the quality they give is nice. Like कम प्राइस में बहुत सही प्रोडक्ट्स देते हैं ये लोग यार. सो अगेन आई बॉट लाइक फेक फ्लावर्स. दीज आर फेक रोजेस. अगेन मेरे पास ये था एंड लास्ट टाइम आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड इट फ्रॉम Amazon which costed me a lot of money, but this time I bought it from Meesho and it comes in a very cheaper price and it is equally like as it is that I have bought from the Amazon. So yeah, like इसको मैंने सोचा कि मैं डाइनिंग टेबल पे लगाऊंगी. So yeah, package from Amazon. Okay, so yeah, I have ordered this bamboo hairbrush. This is very good for your scalp and it will just instantly massage. It will also helps to massage your scalp and also promotes blood circulation. So that's why I got this in, you know, bamboo version. And oh my god, the bristles are so soft and nice. So like, yeah, now I'm really looking forward to try this. That I have ordered is this lamp. So like there's this one backstory for this. Like I really love, you know, warm lights, बट मेरे बेड साइड के टेबल पे क्या है ना, वहाँ पे कोई सॉकेट नहीं है. सो आई ऑलरेडी हैड अ लैम्प फ्रॉम IKEA, बट अब मैं उसको लगा नहीं सकती बिकॉज तो वहाँ पे कोई सॉकेट नहीं है एंड दूर दूर तक कोई सॉकेट नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई आई गॉट दिस एंड लुक एट इट. दिस इज सो गुड. Like this is going to give me the sufficient light because I always like to read before going to bed. So this is for that and I think it's a good purchase. मैंने बहुत सोचा यार, मैंने बहुत back and forth किया है for this. Like I looked for lamp here and there and मुझे वॉर्म लाइट्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. मेरे पास वो मून वाला भी था बट दैट यूज टू नॉट गिव मी द सफिशिएंट लाइट एंड उसकी बैटरी की पावर भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब है. सो आई थॉट दैट दिस वुड बी अ गुड थिंग. वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग फॉर मी considering all these things is I really don't want to invest like lots of money in it because it's a rented flat and when मुझे previous वाले फ्लैट से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा experience मिल चुका है. I got my lesson, I learned my lesson, so that's why I have bought everything in budget. Like सब मैंने मीशो, Amazon ऐसे, like I have not invested so much money if to be precise. Okay, so another thing that I got is this is Coco Chanel book. This is a little guide because I have like seen this in so many videos all over my Pinterest, so I really wanted to get this for a cute, you know, decor, like a coffee table book और bedside table के पास भी मैं इसे रख सकती हूँ और मैं अपने vanity पे भी रख सकती हूँ. So I just got that. ये थोड़ा but I love, like, but I just love this. This is very cute. The thing that I got is this parachute coconut oil because again मैं ना अब वापस अपने पुराने hair care journey पे जाना चाहती हूँ. I just trust this hair oil so much. Like since childhood I have been using this, so I switched back to this and because of this. Okay, so I just want this to be a carrier oil for this. So yeah, that's okay. So now we have package from IKEA. So yep. अच्छे से they had given the stuff. Like wait, let me show you. Look at it, how nicely they have packed. Wow. I was talking and my video was not turned on. How noob I am. Okay, so I have so yeah, what I was saying is that I have ordered these two serving bowl from IKEA and these are pretty huge. Oh my god. And these are for like, how much it was for? I think 100 something. Yeah, it is something around 100 but it is very cheap. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा सस्ता लगा था. That's why I got them and oh my god, this is so cute. This is going to look so good on my dining tables. So yeah, I love this. My mom is going to love it for sure. अगर मतलब मैं मम्मी के लिए ली होती. And also I got these two bowls for, you know, my morning breakfast, like for my oatmeals or anything. So I got that. Like I can have like little salad in it. If not, तो बड़ा वाला bowl है इसमें. I can mix my salads and have it. So yeah, I got two of these as well. Like these, like breakfast bowl I can say. And these were just for ₹69, and these are so good. And also I got these two plates. These two plates are also for ₹69, and these are so good. So yeah, I just get these. And I've also like I have got all these things for Dodo, like Dodo ka set hai. So we have small katoris, like chotu chotu sa. These are so cute, like for just to keep your dal or just to keep your sabzi. These are very good, and these are also for ₹69. So yeah, like I think IKEA ke cutleries are very nice, and plus it is very, you know, cheap. So I think that is good thing. And obviously I have to get this one. I already had two of these but एक टूट गया, so I got another one which I'm going to keep on my, you know, side table. And I think I will probably keep this. Again another vase. I really wanted to get this for so long but ये ना मेरे यहाँ पे available ही नहीं हो रहा था. Look at this. This is so cute. And keep this, and I'm going to keep this onto my dressing table. Like look at this. This is such a cute vase, you guys. And yeah, and after that I also get some cute fake planters. Like look at these. These are going to look so nice with this. I've also got these. And there was this one more, right? And I've also got these. We are on to the final product that I'm going to show you. और मैंने उसे पीछे छुपा के रखा है. From L'Occitane, and oh my god, I still can't believe this. I'm so grateful for this. Like when their team member reached out to me for this collab thing, I was like, obviously I want them. And yeah, it is a butter collab, but I'm so happy. Like look at the smile of my face. This has been always a brand that I really wanted to work with. Like I got these two products, obviously their shea butter hand cream, and I also got their L'Occitane cuticle oil for your nails. Like this is your nail cuticle oil. So I got these two, and look at the giant size of this hand cream, and I have not even used it, and I'm so excited. Aftermath of the haul is always great, but we're gonna set up everything very quickly because I'm so pumped up with after seeing all this. So we're gonna set up everything like fatafat. Now it's 10:50 in the night, and I have already started my work. I have already logged in into my office, and you can clearly see how sleepy I am. मैं शाम को सोने गई थी बट मैं सो नहीं पाई, एंड आज शाम को हमारे सोसाइटी में मंदिर की स्थापना भी थी, तो वी जस्ट वेंट देयर, had the prasad, and I overate obviously, and then I also had some Biscoff cheesecake. So you know, it is kind of like I'm so full right now that I'm feeling so sleepy, and abhi mera office chal raha hai, and I just can't sleep right now. I don't know what to do, and if I will not sleep, like I have to wake up till 7. I don't know how I'm going to do that. So I'm planning that I should take like a 1.5 hour leaves, 1 hour break, and I just went to sleep. I should go to have some sleep. लाइक मैं इतनी ज़्यादा फुल हो रखी हूँ ना गाइज, मैं बता नहीं सकती, मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है. बट let's just talk about the things that we have done. Obviously we have like settled our room. My room is all clean and nice, and I've already done my nighttime skincare, as you can clearly see, and now I just have to do the planner setup. But I think I'm going to take like 1 hour rest. ऑफिस के लॉगिन में I'm going to take a 1 hour break because I'm feeling very sleepy. So थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करूँगी, and then I'm going to start with planner setup, and also I'm going to make myself some coffee obviously because I really need coffee in order to function right now. Hi guys, so I woke up and now I'm feeling much fresh, and right now I really don't need a coffee also. So yeah, I'm feeling very fresh, and now we are going to start with January reflection, and then I will set my goals for the month of Feb, and at the very same time I'm going to tell it to you all like how my January was. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, let's start with my January favorites. So obviously I read this book, The Secret, and I have finished it all, and I'm so proud of myself. I read this book every single day. Like there are few days, like एक दो दिन ऐसे थे जिस दिन मैंने skip करा. Other than that, I read it every day. So I'm so proud of myself that I finally finished a book. In your category, my favorite was this, like the CeraVe moisturizing cream. I used it, I finished it all, and I absolutely love this product. This is so good for my skin. Like if you have a dry skin, this is going to be a perfect moisturizer for you. And with the moisturizer, I have one more favorite with me, and that is this. This is Minimalist Marula Oil 0.5% sunscreen. This is also really great one. Sorry, it's a moisturizer. So moisturizer, absolutely amazing. Like if you have very dry skin, you are going to love this. And you know, it is also good for normal skin type. I have been using this, and my skin feels very hydrated after that. So yeah, like these two moisturizers are my absolute favorite. And how can I forget about this? I have used this tea milk toner, and oh my god, like this is really 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 great toner. Like I have used it, and I have this habit of I never get satisfied with one layer of toner, but this just changed everything. Like one layer of it and your skin will feel so hydrated, so plump, so brightened, and you will glow. Like this is very hydrating. Like this is literally a magic, and I have just got like small size, but I'm surely gonna invest in a bigger bottle of it. Like I absolutely love this milk toner. And now we are going to reflect on the month of January. So I have my Simba lifestyle planner with me, and I'm just going to go through my goals that I have set in the start of the year, and especially like January goals that I have shared with you all. So we're gonna see how much progress we have made. Okay, so let's start with the health and fitness category. For gym, I was supposed to go to 18 to 20 days of gym, but मैं शायद 15 दिन ही gym गई हूँ. So that's that. Another thing that was wake up at 6 a.m. 5 days a week, and except night shift. Night shift, you can see like right now it's 4 in the morning and I'm still awake doing my work. So night shift के अलावा I was supposed to wake up at 6. Did I wake up? First half of January I did, and after that मेरी sleep schedule ऐसे ही रुइन ना. पता नहीं मुझे कहाँ से इतनी ज़्यादा नींद आती थी. I used to go to bed like around 12 and I used to wake up around 8:30. So this was the thing. So we're gonna surely focus on this thing again in the month of Feb. Follow proper morning and night routine. Yeah, I did it like pretty like 80-20%. Like 80% of the time I focused on my like morning routine and night routine. So yeah, 10,000 steps before sleep. Like kabhi bhi, like I had to achieve like 10,000. I had to complete like 10,000 steps for 20 days. I didn't even complete it for a single day, guys. So it's a complete fail. So yeah, and eat only home cooked food except on Sundays. That is something which I'm so proud of. Like this month I have ordered Zomato only 2 times, और बाकी टाइम बाहर भी अगर हम जाके खा के आए हैं तो it's just like very light food, not like lots of junk. और बाहर भी हम बस 1-2 बार ही गए, तो मंथ में एटलीस्ट 4 से 5 बार we have ate outside food, and mostly हमने घर पे खाना बनाया है. So I'm so proud of this as well. So work in academics में I was supposed to post 20 posts on Instagram and YouTube. Like I'm talking about short form content. Yes, I did. I was very consistent with that. I have also completed my 100 days challenge. I was supposed to post 4 long form YouTube video. I did, and I also planned my video earlier this time. And if I talk about academics, if I talk about related to my work, and as I told you in the beginning of the year that I'm looking to switch my jobs and everything. So no, I didn't study like that much, that how much I was supposed to study for that. So this month we are obviously going to focus on that. And finished 1 book. I did journal properly. I did 1 page of gratitude journaling daily. I didn't did that, but like this month I'm going to do a gratitude journaling every single day for sure. And this was also like no Zomato thing. मैंने ये किया है guys, like मैं 2 दिन पर Zomato की हूँ, तो I will count this like okay. Spiritual में self care weekly I did. Morning and evening skincare routine I did. Like it is also personal. Follow morning and evening routine. Oh my god, I have written 2 more times. Meditation, no, I didn't did. And also puja, like I was supposed to read Sundarkand at least 22 days. I didn't do that as.
Alright, so my January was kind of productive. So first my January then started on a good note, and after that I started building my routine slowly. I take my own sweet time to build with it, and then I started working on my like habits. I started reading every day. I followed proper morning and evening routine, proper skincare routine. I was also consistent with my workout, and as well as I was consistent with my content. I did get a paid brand collaboration and a dream barter collaboration with a brand that I have also mentioned in the video if you have seen that. So it was kind of a very grateful month for me. And in the second half of January, I thought that January is taking so long to finish, so I started taking it very slow. So yeah, that's how my January was. Let me know how your January went. Talking about the February goal, I just want to focus more on my health as well as on my academics, like my job thing, and obviously content. So, this time, my goal is to work out at least 20 days and 10k steps every single day. And apart from that, only home cooked food, obviously. And if I talk about my works and academics, I really want to do few certification for my jobs. And also I have started a new series that is 30-day 30 makeup look challenge, so I'm really looking forward to that. And if I talk about personal and spiritual, I really want to start with meditation, like 10 to 15 minutes every single day. So I need to work on that. And apart from that, I also started gratitude journaling. I really want to be consistent with that, because last month मैं हर दिन मैं बोल देती I want to start with it, but I don't used to do it. So I really want to work on this month. And yeah, for some self-care as well as, and this month I'm also going to my home. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. So that's it for my January goals, sorry, February goals. And for winding down, I just took a very quick shower, got into my PJ, and also did my skincare, set the ambience for my room, and then I started my new book for the month of Feb, and that was The Psychology of Money. And I read few pages of that, and then I just did few minutes of meditation. So yeah, that's how my February reset was.